it's Mark Falayy here. We're gonna cook some really good nachos with this spatula. Alright, come over. First, you need a really good pan. Like, this pan is hella good. Even though it has some rust, it's good. So first, you need to turn on the heat. And just already made in here, wow. And then we just need to put a bit of oil. Alright, so. That's good. That's good. That's good. Alright. Alright, see, look. You do that, you saute it. You go ooh, I don't know if it. You go like that. You grab some more meat to make it hella good. This is some Mark Falayy nachos, the best kinds. See right there. As you can tell, it has shrimp. Because, you know, we like our seafood stuff. It's fresh. Right there. Bam! That's first layer. Right there. That's good. Alright. So we go to this really nice fridge. And then, you know what we get? We get the non-branded cheese. Homemade, as you can tell. Alright, so I'll tell you the secret recipe for this cheese after. So after you hear the sizzle, the really good meat, this meat has been marinated in that oil for like, I don't know how many hours, so it's super good. So then, see, it's hot, so then the cheese will melt. And then it's gonna become like a really good nacho. So you go like that. Watch, we need more. So I'm gonna put that there. And I'm gonna go like, bam! More cheese, fam. More cheese. There you go. So we're almost making like lasagna, but this is Chef Mark. We make our own stuff. Non-branded cheese right here. Homemade. So we turn back on the heat. And then we saute this. Ooh, look at that cheese. Homemade, shredded by my butler. Butler, come here. We need to show you. Alright. My butler right here. He's a good, trusty butler. You might see him from our other videos, but he's good. More non-branded cheese. Alright, so watch. You gotta put like skadoodle. Bang. More cheese, yo. We need to get the spatula out of here. We gotta go like bam. Look at that. Chef Mark's already making some really good stuff. Turned out a bit, so you know, you got like slow cook, saute. See, it's all attached. Watch. Then we get locally cut non-branded bacon bits. They put this in salads, pop. Put this in nachos. Watch this. I'd be like, yeets. I like my bacon. Bacon's good, right? Bacon's good. Just a tiny bit. A little bit more. Bang. You know, and then you know what we do with this? We put this back. Put that back. We're good boys. Alright. So then we go like that. Saute. Ooh. And then you know what we do? We get a cover. This is our trusty cabinet here. Alright. And we need to find a cover. Where's that cover? Ooh. This cover. Because it's like cool. Look cool. So we're gonna put it up. Ooh. See? Look at that. It's already falling for me. See? Look. Really good cap. It's a really cool cap. So we put that on. And we do an epic montage. Okay, so we cut this. Nice, look at that. Gucci. Really good. You know what we do with this? We give this to our butler again. Butler!
Yeah?
You eat this. Did you eat the other one?
Yeah.
Nice. Let's go.
Okay.
Stay healthy, boy. See, you know what we do with all? We got this and then we wash it. Let's go. Make sure you don't drop any. This is fresh, by the way. Made by. Oh, I mean, farmed by. Oh, no, man. So we get all the excess water out. And see, we get that. Baguettes. Nachos. Made by my butler, Jeffrey's right here. Alright, Jeffrey's, we're gonna put that like that. Bam. Like that.
Can I try?
Yeah, here you go, butler. Alright, so we're gonna put it like here, Jeff.
Okay.
Jeffrey the butler. He nice. He my best friend. So yeah, just sprinkle it. Like you got be saucy.
Like this?
Saucy. Yeah. There you go. You stab it in. Stab. Super good, man. Super good. Good. Stab. Butler, you wanna get the first taste?
First taste?
Yes.
I'll pass.
Alright. See? You see this right here? We gotta get the good chip. Ooh. See all that cheese? It's sticking on. Bam. Bam. We gotta get more. But it's good. The color good. Mmm.
By the way, Master, is it actually good?
We out! Say we out, Butler.
We out.